Welcome to the first demo video. Here we're going to walk through together setting up and using an Ethereum crypto wallet from our web browser. After that, we'll be ready for our second demo on buying crypto through a crypto-native application like a decentralized exchange. Knowing how to do this will instantly put you far ahead of the majority of crypto investors who often have never interacted with these apps themselves. The wallet I'm going to show you is called Metamask. It can be downloaded easily as a browser extension or on your phone. First, we'll navigate to the metamask.io website and we'll hit download. Metamask can be installed on Chrome or for iOS or Android. Choose the appropriate one for you and then hit install. Since I'm doing it for my web browser here, I'll hit add to Chrome and then add extension. This will add Metamask to my Chrome browser extensions so that we'll be able to use it on any website where Metamask is supported. Once it's been added, the next thing we'll need to do is either set up an existing Ethereum wallet or create a new one. If you want to import an existing wallet that you have, you'll hit import seed phrase and then agree to the terms and conditions. You'll now be at a page where you can input an existing seed phrase or private key and then set a strong password to use it with Metamask. You should always be extremely careful when entering in a crypto seed phrase anywhere. Make sure you are on the legitimate Metamask website. If we don't have a crypto wallet yet, or we want to create a new one, we'll go back to here and click on Create a Wallet. We'll start by creating a strong password that we'll use to access the Metamask extension. When we're done with that, we'll be ready to receive our private key. Before we get the private key, we should make sure we are in a safe and private place where nobody can see our screen. The private key for this wallet will be shown to us as a secret 12-word seed phrase. This phrase alone will be able to generate our crypto private key and thus should never be shared with anyone. When Metamask shows us the seed phrase, we need to immediately write it down, make more than one copy, and keep it somewhere safe. Make sure you've written down and backed up the seed phrase before you leave this page. Metamask will now ask you to confirm your seed phrase for your new Ethereum wallet. Go ahead and enter in the 12 words here by selecting the right order of the phrase from below, then hit confirm. We'll see some more tips on storing our seed phrase safely, and when we're done reviewing this important safety tips, we'll be ready to start using our wallet. We'll now be able to use our Metamask Chrome extension to access our wallet from anywhere. Let's try this out now and get a feel for the interface. I open up my Metamask wallet and I'll immediately see a few options. Firstly, I'll see something at the top that says Account 1. This is the default account created from my private key. However, if you remember from our detailed discussion on crypto wallets, every private key can generate multiple public keys or crypto addresses. A crypto address is basically an account. The string of characters starting with 0x that I see below account 1 is my public key or address for this account. I can freely share this with anyone and use it to send crypto into this wallet. To the right of account 1, I'll see 3 dots. We can click on that to get a few options. Expand the compact view, self-explanatory. View our account details, which includes the public key and its respective QR code that we could scan with our phone, for instance from another wallet to send directly to this wallet. On this page, we also have the option to rename our account or view our account on Etherscan, which I'll show you in a bit. The last option we have, though, is to export the private key. This option lets us type in our password to see the actual private key for the account, the same one that is stored cryptographically in our seed phrase. As long as you have your seed phrase safe, you shouldn't need to use this option. Now, getting back to our options, we see 2 more in this dots menu. View on Etherscan will take us to Etherscan, the Ethereum block explorer. Etherscan shows us the public view of the Ethereum blockchain, including our crypto address balances in all transactions we've ever made. Obviously, we won't see any transactions here yet since we haven't used the wallet yet. But this is a handy tool to check the status of any current or pending transactions we might have, or take a look at our history. Lastly, we'll see an option to view connected sites, aka any third-party website that we've connected our Metamask wallet to at the moment. Now, above these dots, we'll see a little colored circle. This shows us a few additional options, including the ability to create a new account or public address with our same private key. This is useful if we want to control multiple wallets from our same extension. For instance, if we want to set up different wallets for different assets, or we want improved privacy. We also have the option here to lock or log out of the extension, import other accounts, connect to a hardware wallet if we have one, or change our app settings. Okay, now let's talk about how to use the wallet itself. On the main interface, we'll see 3 captions for buy, send, and swap. I don't recommend buying crypto directly through Metamask, as the fees are usually a bit higher than if you were to go through something like Coinbase, which we talked about in one of the last videos. The next option is send. This is how we can send or spend crypto from the wallet by designating another Ethereum address to send to. Remember, this wallet can only send or receive Ethereum or Ethereum-based coins, not Bitcoin or other coins like Litecoin or Dogecoin. Below the recipient search bar, we'll see an address book of other addresses we've sent to in the past. We'll be able to name these addresses if we want to as well. In order to send a transaction, we will simply designate the public key for the Ethereum address we want to send to here in the search bar. Once we've done that, we'll get taken to the transaction interface. Here we'll choose which coin we want to send, Ethereum or Ethereum-based token, the amount, and our transaction fee preference. The higher fee we pay, the faster the network will confirm our transaction. So select a speed based on how fast you want the transfer to go through. In advanced options, we can further refine our transaction fee preferences, but usually we won't have to bother with that. Once we're done specifying the amount and transaction details, we'll get taken to the confirmation page where we can confirm or reject the transaction. Once we hit confirm, the transaction will be broadcast to the Ethereum network, and there is no way to undo it from that point, although in some instances we could still try to cancel it. So make sure you review the final transaction details carefully.